chance of heaven, my whiskey high. I only got the bottle.
Hello, beautiful people. How y'all doing? I'm doing great. And I told you guys that I was going to be consistent with my working out because we have to get this blood pressure regulated. Even though it's been good lately, but still, y'all get the point. Hurry up, because we got to get you together this morning. Ani off to school, she making her bowl of cereal, y'all.
Hello, audio mode.
I told y'all I wasn't playing about this blood pressure stuff. We got to get this blood back.
I'm not ready now.
Okay, you guys, here we are on our healthy habit journey. My blood pressure the other day was 121, I believe, over 83. So it was still a little high with the bottom number. But that's because I did something I shouldn't have did. I ate some fried chicken the other day, knowing I ain't had no business eating no fried chicken, but I wanted it so bad. But I'm learning to eat for health and not for taste. Health and not for taste. So, baby, I've been whipping out my yall bike, and I've been getting me some cycling sessions in, and it's been working wonderfully. I've lost some weight. I've lost some inches, and I can literally feel the weight lifting off of me. It just feels so good to get back in the habit of working out. You really forget how good working out feels until you get back into that mode. Like, I'm back in that mode. Check me out. Get into it, y'all. I really had a good workout. I had a good sweat. I had to wipe my face. I should have did it on camera, but y'all get the point. We ain't faking it, because the way I was feeling about 2 weeks ago, yeah, that was not okay. That was not okay. My lungs are opening up. That's why I'm kind of coughing. Happy Monday.
Hello guys, I look different. Yup. Yeah, this is me going ready for school. I picked out my whole outfit.
You did, yeah.
Yes.
You did.
Yeah. I look cute with my own natural hair.
Look at all this hair. Help me, Lord. Help me.
Yeah, I'm going to be doing some hair now. Rock that teeth.
Hello. All right, workout session done. We're about to get the big girl off to school. I'm just putting some oil on her edges because it was a little residue up there. But do y'all know this girl has the nerve to call me bald head off camera? Like, I had to let her know something. Little girl, I'm bald head by choice. We love saying that, don't we? Nah, I am a little bald head though. But that's okay. Clock it. And why be your own kids hating on you? Like, girl, please, I'm gonna give me some inches right now, honey. So I'm bald head. All right, y'all. We better go ahead and throw us a little wig on real quick, cause I've been looking hideous lately. But here we go. Looking like a thug, but I am. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get our setup ready for this wig install. Every time I get to record it, here comes the dang on train. I can sit here all day and not do nothing, and the train won't come. But as soon as I pull my camera out and get in deep, that's why I'm ready to move. I'm just ready to move. I am. I'm tired of being by trains. I'm tired of being right next door to people. I'm tired of kids running around, jumping and flipping and dipping. I mean, but that's the price you pay when you are in public housing, right? In order to get approved of public housing, you have to have children. So 9 times out of 10, the neighbor gonna have 3 or 4 or 5 kids. And I just get tired of hearing all the extra feet sometimes. We are gonna go ahead and start our video of the day. For the wig, I'm gonna be using the 9 a.m. hair store. Some inches this time, y'all. We got some inches this time, y'all. Talking about I'm bald headed. All right, we got HD True Lace. and she looks really good. She looks really good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave a middle part, and you just gonna probably throw some pretty curls in here, throw on some little makeup, have a little chit chat, and yeah, let's hop on in. Okay, I'm doing my bald cap method at this point. I believe I was watching Baddies. I gotta get my little ghetto watches in, you know, every blue moon. I don't really have a lot of drama going on, so, you know, gotta have that balance of, you know, that positivity, and then some, I just need a little, some excitement going on. But yeah, basically I'm gonna tie the end of my cap so that it's nice and secure to install this HD wig. My goal is to get the wig to just like lay really good and like skin like and just, you know, smooth. I don't really care for like the baby hair thing too much. I'm just taking one step at a time. So, you know, once I do get the rhythm of how to put the wig on, then we'll worry about doing the baby hairs. But for right now, maybe this is what it's gonna be. And I'm looking like a damn Cynthia.
There you go, Cynthia. Now you're ready for action.
I look like Cynthia or something. I don't know, but I know I look crazy. That's all I get out. So y'all better not be talking about me in the comments. Oh, and if you're still here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Drop me a green heart in the comments so that I can know you're still here, you're still watching. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this wig cap cut down and throw our lace on. Guys, be sure to look down below in the description because I will leave all the deets about the wig that I'm using. Now, as I got halfway in putting the wig in the install, I thought to myself, oh my God, that's why the lace is so short, because it's a glueless wig. I didn't even realize it was a glueless wig, but this is a glueless wig. It's a true HD lace fronts and 18 inches from 9am hair store. And I can say the quality of this wig is really good. I want to say the wig cost about, it was 123 bucks, but don't forget I have a discount code that can save you a few bucks off, and I will leave everything in my description box down below. Now at this point, basically I am using lace mousse. This is in the shade medium brown. We're just trying to get that lace to look more like, you know, the color of my skin. And I do like this product as well. It's a pretty good product. I found it on Amazon for super cheap. It came in a pack of Dola hair. So yeah, it's like a little kit that comes with like the glue and the lace remover, the hair bands, melting spray, the lace glue, all that good stuff. So here we are trying to get this here we are trying to get this wig to just be melted down as best as I can get it. I told you guys that I am a beginner, so I don't really know a lot about wigs. I am a hands-on person, so it doesn't matter how many videos I watch. I'm not going to get the grasp of it until I do it myself, until I keep doing it. And then eventually I'll find out what works for me. But this method did work eventually, because you guys are going to see at the very end of the video. And if you're still here, go ahead and leave me a green heart in the comments. You guys know we love green, we love hearts, we love love. So let's fill each other's cup. She's melted on. We can do the same thing on this side. We go cut a long layer. It's okay to cut it. Okay, we've made some progress with the wig. Now I just want to clean up my parts. Just a light little tap. Okay, wig all done. She's feeling. I was gonna add some curls in it, but I said, no, let me not add no curls because I feel like Morticia. I hadn't had no weave this long in my head in so long, y'all. I feel like I cannot be messed with, okay? But yeah, she's cute. She real cute. After that, here I am drinking my tea like I told you guys that I've been, because you guys know I've been working on my blood pressure. Gotta live a healthy life. Well. The epitome of get it all done. I can do literally everything. I'm just so multi-talented, and I just want to share my gifts with all of you. So stay tuned because I have more coming. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.